Adaab everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will continue on with Ramoz-e-Auqaf or punctuation. Qausain, parenthesis. Wavain, quotation marks. Alamat-e-Hazaf or ellipsis. It denotes a pause in speech or thought. Alamat-e-Tark or Caret. It is used to indicate the omission of a word in a given sentence. For example, फल सब्जियां हमारी अच्छी सेहत के लिए बहुत मुफीद होती हैं. Here the word or got left out and we can use Alamat-e-Tark to indicate its omission between the words phal and sabziyan. Alamat-e-Hashiya. This symbol is used for referencing. For example, in this given sentence, the number, which in this case is 1, is written above the symbol. Alamat-e-Takhallus or Nom de Plume. Every Urdu writer and poet uses a Takhallus. For example, Takhallus of Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan is Ghalib. Takhallus of Momin Khan is Momin. Takhallus of Mirza Muhammad Rafi is Sauda. Alamat-e-Sher. Ghazal is a form of poetry in Urdu and can be composed of 5 to 15 couplets, and each couplet is known as sher. This symbol is used to denote a single sher from a ghazal. For example, this famous sher by Ghalib, दिले नादा तुझे हुआ क्या है, आखिर इस दर्द की दवा क्या है, can be denoted by this symbol. Alamat-e-Misrah. When only one line of a sher is written independently of the other, then that line is known as Misrah, and it can be represented by this an-like symbol. Khat or Lakir. It is a small dash. Certain abbreviated words in English contain period, and in Urdu, this period is replaced by dash. Time for a recap. Qausain, parenthesis. Wavain, quotation marks. Alamat-e-Hazaf or ellipsis. Alamat-e-Tark, Alamat-e-Hashiya, Alamat-e-Takhallus, Alamat-e-Sher, Alamat-e-Misra, Khat or Lakir. In the next lesson, we will learn about numbers. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.